viewers, welcome back to my channel. This recipe is a part of my holiday series. Today we are making a sweet potato pie with my secret ingredient. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Come on. Here we are boiling these potatoes until they are fork tender. The fork should be able to pierce right through the potato. If you feel any resistance, go ahead and let it boil a bit longer. I like to remove the ends of my potatoes. This is completely optional. This is just something I like to do. Now you can wait for your potatoes to cool down, or you could go ahead and run them under like some cool water. You do not have to peel these things while they are smoking hot. I'm just used to it. Let's begin to go ahead and start mixing. While we are mixing, we are also whipping for strings. You want to whip for strings maybe about 3 or 4 times until your whisk is clean. I'll show you here. Here you can see a bit of strings, but not too many. When I whip it again, you will be able to see the strings. There you go. See those strings? We don't want those. Go ahead, rinse this off, and then come back and whip it again. Continue giving it a good whisk. Now, do you see how light and fluffy this batter is becoming? This is what you want. This is how you know you're going to have a smooth batter. Go ahead and pour in your condensed milk and your evaporated milk. This is what's going to give your pie a very rich and decadent taste. Mix it really good until it's smooth and creamy. We don't want no lumps, no clumps. Mix it very well. Let's pour in your sugar. This is white sugar, of course. Then go ahead and add your light brown sugar as well as your dark brown sugar. The dark brown sugar is what's going to give it that deep color. This is our butter. Do not use margarine. Butter gives a way better taste than margarine. Get you some real butter, baby, okay? At this point, we are adding in the vanilla extract. Now let's add your lemon extract, followed by your nutmeg and cinnamon. Give it a good mix to make sure everything is well incorporated. Now we're adding salt and honey. This is that secret ingredient. This is what's gonna make his mama tell him to marry you, okay? I'm adding flour and eggs now. The flour and eggs will allow for your pie to stick together. Don't nobody want a runny pie, okay? Now I am using Mrs. Smith's deep dish pie crust. You can use whatever brand you like. You can use Pillsbury, you can use the store brand, it doesn't matter. I just like Mrs. Smith's because it's flaky and buttery. Let's go ahead and prick a few holes inside of our dough. This will allow for steam to escape while it's baking. We have 3 pie shells here, so we're going to do all 3. When adding your filling, do not fill it all the way to the top, because when you bake this pie, it's going to rise a bit. So do not fill it all the way to the top, or you will have a mess in your oven. Give it a quick shake just to even it out and get everything settled. Now y'all know I had some kids waiting around to lick this bowl, right? I'm the kids. Let's go ahead and place this inside of a preheated oven at 350 degrees. We will allow this to bake for 45 minutes. Once you take it out, baby, now don't just dig in this. Let it cool for about an hour and you're all set. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you.